My name is Nika and welcome to Yoga for Women's Hormonal Health. Do this practice every day to always feel light and harmonious. Start in a sitting position on your heels. Close your eyes. Put your hands on your hips and observe the sensation inside for a while. Breathe through the nose, deep breaths. Here and now there is only you and your body. Place the palms of your hands on the lumbar region, head down and up movement slowly and smoothly. With this movement, we stimulate the thyroid gland to improve metabolism, make a few head down movements, relax your facial muscles. Great. And move into a 4 posture position. Palms under the shoulders. With an inhale, bend over. With an exhale, push back with your arms rounding your back. Continue in the dynamics. There's no right or wrong, it's just a feeling that feels comfortable and enjoyable, and slowly descend. Connect your palms together in place and sit behind your head, allowing yourself with each exhalation to relax more with each exhale. Let the forces of gravity do its work. And slowly rise up, pull your toe toward you away from yourself for a few, warming up your ankle. Inhale. And with an exhale, pull the knee to the chest, rounding the back. Keep it moving. Inhale to open. Exhale to contract. Leave the leg in the air. That's great. Thank you for joining me and my faithful companion for this Yoga for Women's Health class. I hope you found this practice helpful and inspiring. Remember, taking care of your body and mind is an important step on the path to well-being. Thanks for watching and see you again on my channel. May your day be filled with harmony and positivity, and bye!